Hi everyone. So this is week's dictation, and every day this week will be a picture of something that I like. So I thought that would be a nice way to start the term. So this is a picture of tulips, all different colours. I think they're very pretty. So something nice to look at while you concentrate on dictation. So this is this is Tuesday, October the 6th dictation. First sentence, please write dictation and the date. So that's 6/10/2020. First sentence, I must make my bed every day. I must make my bed every day. So start the first two words with I must. One finger space, please. Make my bed every day. So check it again. I must make my bed every day. Second sentence, new line. Please shut the door. Please shut the door. So write the first word. I know you haven't had it before. Please. Just break it down. Shut the door. So I'll say those two sentences again. I must make my bed every day. Please shut the door. Make sure you are happy with your spelling. Use your eyes as well as the sounds. Make sure you've got capital letter and full stop in the right places, and your writing is neat.